Moko kuom jotelo mowuok e kaunti ma Kericho omedo puoyo okang' ma jatend piny Kenya William Ruto nokawo mar golo jotend migepe mamoko kowuok e duond bura mar ODM. Gavana e kaunti ma Kericho kaachiel gi jod bura ma Bureti Kobet Komingoi owacho ni migepe mane ochiwne duond bura mar ODM en ranyisi mar kelo achiel kod dongruok e pacho ka. Mutai bende osundo jotelo mamoko kaka jotend duond bura mar Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka kod mano mar DAP-K Eugene Wamalwa mondo mi oti kamoro achiel gi piny owacho.
We have been exposed. The king is naked. The president is naked. Never has it happened in the history of a nation that people and civilians occupy parliament. We've gone to history that under our leadership, civilians occupied parliament. And when civilians occupy parliament is a symbol of authority. It means that the authority has been challenged. It means that the faith has been lost by the people. And we have experienced a Nebuchadnezzar moment. Because if you elected me as a hustler, umenichangia pesa quality in town, then within 2 months, I am shattering the whole country in choppers all over. The people who are elected me, hawana hata nguo ya kufa, hawana chakula, hawana school fees, and me, mwenye nimetolewa tu chini, I have the luxury now to even pack a chopper and use it as a matatu. That becomes an insult to the people. People will ask us questions, how did we get this money very quickly? All of a sudden, people knew we had nothing. Then all of a sudden, we are carrying tons of money. Sisi wenyewe wanasiasa wa Kenya Kwanza, we spoiled the party for the president. Tuliangusha rais, and we must tell ourselves the truth. The elected leaders of Kenya Kwanza will let down the president. The president is naked today because of us. Instead of guarding the presidency with decency, humility, we decided to form it on the people that elected us. And by that, we exposed the president. Sasa, let's go to a point now where we need to get other pillars. Because the pillars that the president gave them an opportunity to be close to him, wakaangusha rais. Sasa maybe tutafute Raila. And I want to thank Raila Odinga. I really want to thank Raila Odinga. Because we were going down as government. The government was being toppled. You don't know. The government was being toppled.